In this presentation, we'll explore the exciting world of solar energy and guide you through the process of installing a solar rooftop system on your home. We'll cover everything from accessing your needs and evaluating your roof to the installation process and additional considerations. By the end, you will be equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision about harnessing the power of the sun for your home. First of all, why we choose solar? Going solar offers multitude of benefits. You can significantly reduce your electricity bills by generating your own clean energy, reducing your reliance on the grid. Solar power is a sustainable and environmentally friendly choice, helping combat climatic change and promote a greener future. Additionally, installing solar panels can increase the value of your property and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Depending on your location, you might also be eligible for government incentives and rebates, making solar power an even more attractive option. Before embarking on your solar journey, it's crucial to access your energy needs. Carefully analyze your electricity bills to understand your average monthly and yearly electricity consumption, which is usually measured in kilowatt per hour. This information is vital for determining the size and type of the solar system you will need to effectively meet your energy requirements. By understanding your consumption pattern, you can ensure your solar system generates enough power to cover your needs. Roof plays a crucial role in the success of your solar panel system. Ideally, your roof should face south as this direction receives the most sunlight throughout the day. Additionally, your roof needs to be structurally sound to support the weight of the solar panels and withstand various weather conditions such as wind and snow. It's crucial to access the available roof space, considering its size, shape, and any potential shading from the trees or nearby structures. Shaded areas will generate less or no solar energy, so maximizing sunlight exposure is essential. Taking the time to research and compare different solar installers is crucial for making an informed decision. Obtain quotes from multiple qualified installers in your area. When comparing quotes, consider factors like the installer's experience, certifications, warranties offered on the system and installation, and available financing options also. Don't hesitate to ask questions and ensure that the installer understands your specific needs and roof conditions. Choose an installer who inspires confidence and can provide a tailored solution for your solar journey. Before diving into the installation process, it's essential to understand the local regulations and incentives associated with solar power. Check with your local authorities about any permits or approvals required for installing solar panels.